Okay, this is unit number 1, and this unit it's working as intended technically, the fact that it turns on, but this is the issue that we have with the rest of the tickets. You see, it was a 31-day reduced commuter pass, and this unexpected error, you see, with the server, please try again. This error should not be coming on because we have it on airplane mode. So, something for us to look at. Let's go ahead and now clear it. I'm gonna press scan again, and she's scanning a different ticket now. You see, again, unexpected error, and this is a commuter day pass. There was an error communicating with our server. Please try again. We don't understand why this happens, since it's on airplane mode. Should not be occurring. That's a pass. You can try that.
Okay.
Let's clear it. Let's clear first. Same thing. Don't know. This is just it's a promotional pass, but it's a commuter pass.
I don't know what else. Yeah.
Just whatever. Write another ticket.
Okay.
Print.
Hold this.
Sure.
Okay. Show them what this is first.
Yeah. The service is on premium, so this one should come back that is not allowed for the
So try it.
for the service level. Try it. Let's see what happens. Same thing, unexpected error.
Try
We don't know why we keep getting this error message.
Try it again.
Try it again. No, hang on. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. You're holding it like this, so you need to scan it.
What? This way?
Yeah, like that.
That's why I've been having it.
Just want to make sure.
Okay.
There you go.
Thing.
So this is again unit number 1, and we've scanned multiple different passes, and they are coming up with this unexpected error. So let's try 31-day premium pass. Let me clear it. Scan again. Try it. There you go. We don't know why this is happening.
Let me try it another way.
She's gonna try a different way, scanning a different way, maybe.
Nope.
Either or. Yeah. Okay. Let me feel. Now you feel me scanning. Okay, there you go. Again, I'm scanning the right way, machine the right position, and I'm scanning.
Clear it.
Don't know what's going on. Alrighty, this is unit number 1. Okay, just push that button and it'll stop.